Hi everybody, the Home Service Pro here. Today's video is not going to be one of my typical videos showing you how to repair something or whatever. I want to show you what my community's been going through. We had a major ice storm up here and it's kind of decimated our entire neighborhood and our whole county. We've been without power for 10 days, no internet. We've been running on generator power. Thank God I had a generator. I'm just going to show you guys some videos and pictures of our community, and we'll get back to our normal videos starting next week. And so thanks for watching and have a great day.